Hello friends, as many of you have asked me to update gold's status before the NFP data, and that is why I am coming up with this special review just before the NFP data, specifically for gold and specifically for you all. Let's start, and yes, if you appreciate the effort, please do like, share, subscribe and comment friends. This is always a great support, motivation, inspiration for me. And yes, do comment, do like, share and subscribe. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the hourly chart. See double bottom and higher lows. That is how gold is trading. And this is still a retracement, but it has achieved higher highs here, higher highs, higher lows. And hence now once again you have to wait for it to stay above 1820, 1818 levels, which is a great support zone. Below this zone, certainly we can say more bearishness is going to prevail here, where I will be looking forward for it to achieve 1814 levels, and below that more bearishness is going to prevail here. Now if you look at, see on the upside, it has gone towards 1826 levels, but it has failed to stay above 1826 and has retraced since then. But at the same time, higher lows are seen and it can still reverse. Remember the fact, it can still reverse. If you see the stochastic, this is trading comfortable. The MACD is trading with little bullish bias. RSI is looking downwards, trying to trade slight bearish. Coming to the 2 hour. Now look at the 2 hour chart. See what is happening. Previous was a swing candle. It is just trying to achieve the bottom of this, and if it reverses from here, because see a flat opening and a reversal from here can bring the bullishness here. You have to be careful. Yes, after the double bottom levels on the 2 hour charts, couple of greener candles and it can still reverse. It can try to move towards 1826, and beyond 1826 we can still expect the next major resistance zone is 1830-32 levels. That is going to be a stronger resistance for gold on the upside. If you look at the formation, see the drop and the retracement. Now see the slope here and here. This suggests that this is still a retracement, not a reversal. Also not failing to break past on upside above 1830-32 zone suggests that it is still trying to trade with a slight bearish bias. Stochastic is trying to look upwards. MACD is in green. RSI is comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Coming to the 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, so far higher lows are seen, and thus it has become important for it to break past 1820, 1818 levels. Yes, if it stays above these levels here, more bearishness can be expected, but at the same time, right now, if you look at the previous two candles, bigger tails are seen. It can completely reverse on the upside. I will look forward to 1826 to be breached. If it does, then 1828, 1830, 32 levels. Now 30 and 32, as I am telling you again and again, that this is the greater resistance which you should watch out for. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is in green, RSI is almost flat and trying to trade with a slight bullish bias. Coming to 4. Now look at 4 hour chart. See preceding three candles, higher highs are seen. This candle has started in red. Definitely it will try to get support either at around 1818 or then 1815. Now one point to note that the prices has almost approached the 20 period moving average and now trying to trade with a drop. So this is still a bearish indication. Also, yesterday's move has got it below the previous double bottom levels at 1814. Remember, yesterday's move has got it below though the candle has failed to close below these levels. However, for once it has breached here. Stochastic has retraced and now trying to look downwards. MACD is in green, trading with divergence, and it is looking upwards. RSI is also come out of the oversold zone. Coming to the day. Now look at the daily chart. See, just connect these dots here. You will find lower highs, lower lows there on the charts here. And that is why also I say that yes, if you see it is staying above 1830-32 zone, just stay long. We will be looking forward to 34-36 and then 40 levels. 40 levels are going to remain a greater resistance. Now if you connect the dots, see you will find that it is trying to trade. This is the larger channel. Also, if you look at the moving averages are sitting too far away from the current levels, and hence it can try to approach the moving average. That is also one of the probabilities it can take place here. Yes, because the prices are divergent, and also this could be one of the reversal signals, but then it has to break past the highs here of the previous candle, which will give a confirmation of a breakout, and that is why 1830, 32, 34 levels becomes very critical for gold here. Stochastic is oversold, trying to recover. MACD is trading with extreme bearishness. It is can potentially converge. RSI is also oversold, which calls for a potential reversal here. And thus, if you see, Gold is staying beyond 1826, you can buy, but then remember, even if you are buying at 1826, you have to put a $2 trailing stop loss as long as 1834 is not breached. Beyond 1834-35 is where the bulls will take, and we may see gold flying high on the upside. At the same time, on the downside, you can sell here at 1815 levels. Yes, you can sell at 1820 also, but then remember 1818, 1814, 15 the first target, and then 1810. And below 1810, the next target is little far below. We can look forward to 1800 and below levels if it stays below 1800. And hence, yes, staying below 1810 levels will bring more bearishness. 1800 is definitely a good support, and hence you have to trade with caution, trade with alert. You have to watch out the levels. You have to put your stop loss at your entry price. Remember, the news can bring volatility here, and hence, if you wish to eliminate the volatility and preserve your capital, you have to put a trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Happy weekend. And yes, join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself, love itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.